Welcome to Bedroom Burlesque and welcome to your first lesson. I am so excited to get us started. Now before we get started, all you're going to need is a chair. And it can be any type of chair that you want. And you do not have to be dressing in garb. As you see, I have a little bit of a burlesque outfit on me, but you don't have to do that. If you want to be barefoot, that's fine. If you'd rather just stay in something very comfortable in the beginning, that's totally fine. I only use this because it makes me feel like I'm stepping a little more into that sexiness and into that role. So it helps me to have heels and it helps me to feel the clothing. It just helps me in my performance. But if you want in the beginning, you do not have to do that. Now, we're going to start using the chair, and we're going to start with some very simple moves. But before we start those simple moves, there's something I really want to touch upon. Everything that we do, I want you to bring your love and your energy and your passion into it. So even if it's just an arm moving up the leg, for example, we don't want to just have it all passive and just have the finger move. I want you to feel like you're using your whole body pulling that finger up. You are engaging every part of you with what we're doing. Every part is involved. So it's kind of like the waves in the ocean or a slow motion, kind of a syrupy move. So this is very important that when I'm asking you, even if it's just stretching your leg out or moving your shoulder, you're trying to bring all of you into it and breathing all of you into it. And we'll touch upon that a lot more and you'll get what I'm talking about very quickly. But for now, we're just going to start with some very simple moves. Sitting on a chair, turned maybe diagonally a little bit to the side. And then once you're turned diagonally a little bit to the side, you might want to bring your outer leg a tiny bit further forward than the back leg. So as you have that outer leg a little further forward, all we're going to do is we're going to start with our fingertips. We're going to reach down to that outer leg all the way to the ankle. Gently stroke your fingertips up the shin, up past the knee. Pull it towards your thighs. As you come to your hip, I want you to arch your back a little bit. Let's just do that again. Fingers down. Stroke it up the shin, past the knee, thighs, into that hip. Arch your back a little bit. Now you might notice that I'm lifting that outer shoulder up as I do that. I give it a little twirl. I pull that shoulder forward a little. Let's just practice that. Sit diagonally, and then the shoulder closest to me, just lift it a little, and then bring it back. Lift it a little, and down. Again, lift it, and down. Again, lift it, and down. Now let's combine the two moves together. So you're going to do an upward leg pull. Fingers down, pull up. Feel your whole body like a wave, like in syrup. As you come to your hip, that outer shoulder comes up a little bit. Let's do that again. Fingers stroking. Feel that sensuality, pulling it up through your thighs. Outer shoulder comes